This is an interesting approach, and I'm not sure if I should categorize it as a clever strategy or a dark pattern. So you tell me. So on the category page, they show that this product has 1,379 reviews. Now, what's interesting, and I think this is something that we need to be aware of, is that a lot of times consumers don't actually even read the reviews, but they still look at the review count as being almost like a checklist, right? So if your review counts are high, they're like, okay, they have enough social proof. Now let me read about the product to understand if it's a good fit for not or not. And if they find a good fit, they actually buy it right away. So it's not like they have to read reviews. Not everyone does this, but a lot of shoppers will actually use just the review count. It's kind of like a trust seal, effectively, that review count. Now, what's clever about this is on the category page, they show this, which means if I'm using it as a trust seal, I've already checked that item, which means it's already left my brain now. And I'm like, okay, there's evidence that this product works. People have used it. Reviews look pretty good visually and number looks pretty good. I'm just going to go to the product page and now understand how this product actually works and how it's going to benefit me. What's fascinating though is that there is no mention of reviews on the product page itself. So they do have these three tiles which says, it's cherry picked reviews, but there's actually no reviews on the page at all. Now, this could be a glitch also where for some reason they're not showing it, or they're very, very clever and they realize that people are using review counts as a checklist item and they're essentially doing the selling here without the need to actually show the reviews. What do you think?